Your firewall may be blocking external threats. But that doesn't mean your data is fully protected. Traditionally, firewalls are designed to protect network boundaries. They filter incoming and outgoing traffic, block suspicious connections, and help stop external attacks. But modern security risks no longer come only from outside the network. Today, sensitive data often moves through perfectly legitimate channels. Employees may upload files to personal cloud drives, transfer documents through messaging apps, copy data to USB devices, or share confidential information with AI tools. That's where platforms like AnySecura come in. Instead of focusing only on network traffic, AnySecura helps organizations monitor how data is actually being accessed, transferred, and used across endpoints. This includes content-level control, user behavior monitoring, USB management, application restrictions, and real-time visibility into sensitive operations. For example, if an employee attempts to upload a sensitive document to an unauthorized cloud platform, AnySecura can automatically detect the action, block the transfer, encrypt the file, and alert administrators in real time. Here's how these protection policies can be configured inside AnySecura, and how the enforcement works in real-world scenarios. As you can see, the attempt to upload the sensitive PDF file was successfully blocked, while warning messages and real-time security alerts were immediately triggered. Firewalls protect your network. AnySecura protects how that network is used. Modern security requires more than perimeter defense. Learn more with AnySecura.